We bought our Sprinter van secondhand, already converted into a camper van. And one issue with these types of vans is water buildup within this panel. There are clips down here. There are clips, there's lots of videos on it when you're insulating and setting up your van yourself, to make sure that you seal those holes so water doesn't go through. Well, it's really hard for us to see if our van was already sealed. So what we're doing is we got some polyurethane DAB brand and are sealing the crack that the water can get through. Our siding is also Line-X, so us taking off our panels to see if it was done properly is just way too big of a job, and too much could go wrong with it. So right now, the process of doing this seems like the simpler one to help make sure water and moisture doesn't get in. Hopefully this helps you if you're in a similar situation, or if you just want to make sure stop water getting in yourself. It's been a few months since we siliconed the panels to keep water out, and I wanted to wait to actually post the video to make sure it held up really well, and it has. It looks amazing. It has been through slush, rain, snow, freezing temperatures, lots of use, and the silicone is looking great and doing its job. And just want to prove that it's not cracking or anything, so if you do it yourself, you can have a little more confidence. Good luck.